Hello, dreamers! I made a new video sharing the timeline of my visa processing from the day I received the job offer. Based on my research, the minimum time to process a J1 visa is 2 months. Ito rin yung ine-explain ko in all of my interviews kapag tinatanong nila ako kung gaano ako pabilis makakapunta ng Amerika. Ang palagi kong sagot ay 2 months kasi yun ang nasa videos ng ibang vloggers at yun ang sinasabi ng mga agents sa iba't ibang agencies. January 2024, when I finally decided to pursue applying for a job here in the United States of America. Pero umabot na ng April when I still did not focus on sending my application. At ang nasa isip ko, I do not want to start a new school year in DepEd. Kaya, I promised to myself na I will do everything just to get a job offer. Mapa-visa sponsor or agency, I will go for it. Fast forward, I always get shortlisted for interviews sa mga agencies. Kaya lang, I was always hesitant to pay $1,000 or more for the placement. Tatlong agencies na ata ang pinaasa ko. And then, I joined the mentoring program of Mr. L and continued sending emails to the principals using that resume. Hanggang nakuha ko ang strategy and napansin na nila yung application ko. Teka, panoorin mo yung video ko on how I got 15 principal interviews for more details. July 22, 2024, when I finally received my job offer, I decided to do something on the first day of school sa DepEd. Remember, that was July 29, 2024, Monday. I submitted my resignation letter. At the same time, I also emailed my visa sponsor, Alliance Abroad Group. July 30 to 31, 2024, I was uploading and signing documents for my profile until I got the billing statement where I have to pay $3,300. August 2, 2024, I got my DS 2019. I then scheduled for the visa interview and it was supposed to be August 29. My visa sponsor helped me and then I got a new schedule August 15. While waiting for that schedule, I was working on the clearance and looking for money kasi yung ibang lending institutions ay nagpapa-advance payment. Hindi pa kasi umabot ng 1 year yung pagbabayad ko ng mga bank obligations. August 13, nasa Manila na ako. And August 15 was the day for my visa interview. And I can still remember how happy I was when my J1 visa was approved. At that time, Amerikang-Amerika na talaga ako. I did not wait for my passport and DS 2019 sa SM. I went back home and just waited 4 days to receive it through LBC. I continued working on my clearance from the division up to the region office. August 22, 1 month na, simulang natanggap ko ang job offer. And I'm almost done kasi nga approved na yung visa ko. What was taking me so long to book a flight ay ang clearance ko kasi nga I needed to look for fund. Siguro, kung may pera lang ako agad, mabilis yung natapos ng clearance ko. After a few days, cleared na ako sa region office. So I sent the documents to the central office. September 2 to 6, 2024, I was just waiting for the central office to give me the reference number for the CFO sticker processing. Also, in that week, nangyari din ang CFO sticker processing. And that includes the pre-departure orientation seminar. And then, September 9, 2024, nakuha ko na ang CFO sticker document ko. I then booked a flight going to USA. At dito ko na-feel na napakasaya ko kasi finally, yung decision ko by January is a step away na lang at nasa Amerika na ako. Pero parang napapasabi ako na, pwede wait? Pwede pause? Pwede wag muna. Kasi ibig sabihin nun, ilang buwan o taon pa bago ko mayayakap ulit ang mga minamahal ko. Mamimiss ko yung mga taong sumabay sa low-key na pag-aasikaso ko. Yun yung literal na mixed emotions. Pero excited at gusto ko na rin talagang magtrabaho kasi starting September 1, wala na akong tinatanggap na sahod. On September 14, 2024, lumipad ako papuntang Amerika and on exact same date, I arrived at the San Francisco International Airport in California. And then, after another 3-hour flight, finally landed to Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport, Texas. Technically, I did it in less than 2 months. Simula nang matanggap ko ang job offer hanggang sa arrival ko sa USA, which means na hindi na lang 2 months ang minimum ng visa processing. It is possible in less than 2 months. Baka nga kinaya ko ng 1 month kung hindi lang ako nagkaproblema sa advance payments sa banks. And that's it. The timeline of my visa processing from the moment I got the job offer hanggang sa arrival ko dito sa Amerika. That journey was full of calculated risks. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!